Williams decided to go skating. He put his cap on, backwards, grabbed his skateboard, and started rolling down the street. Everything was perfect, until he saw something he wished he hadn't. While he was skating, he noticed an old man coughing loudly and then spitting in the street. Something huge came out of the old man's mouth.
Nope. Nope. Absolutely not. I'm leaving.
He skated away as fast as he could. But the city had more surprises. Then, Williams skated past a man who burped loudly without any shame.
Oh yeah!
While Williams was moving toward the road, he saw a weird man picking his nose with his fingers. And of course, the man wiped his boogers on the bench.
Holy cow. That's disgusting.
A few meters later, Williams saw a woman clipping her toenails in public.
Really?
Williams stepped off his skateboard and kept walking. Feeling tired, he sat on a bench very close to three old men. One of them was talking extremely loudly on the phone.
Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah.
Another one was eating a sandwich, chewing with his mouth open. Suddenly, he dropped his sandwich on the ground and stared at it for a second. He picked it up and ate it again.
Ew. Gross.
Then, a terrible smell reached him. The third man suddenly dropped to the ground and started doing push-ups right next to Williams, sweating like crazy. With every push-up, the strong odor from his armpits got worse. It smelled like he hadn't used deodorant or taken a shower in days.
That's it. I'm going home. Today was a disgusting day.
Williams said.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.